Good morning, everyone. So, today we are revising our chapters from chapter number 1. So, the name of the chapter is Maps and Globes. So, today we will discuss this chapter, Maps and Globes. Now, see the picture of both. This is map and this is globe. See the picture of what is this? This is the picture of Earth. What is the shape of Earth? The shape of Earth is round. So this is the picture taken from the space. In this picture, we have seen that Earth is round in shape, right? The Earth has, see the picture. In this picture, the land percentage on Earth is 29%, and see here it is 29%, and the water percentage on Earth is 71%. So that means water covers 71% on Earth and land covers only 29%. So approximately 70% of the Earth's surface is water and 30% of the Earth's surface is what? Land. See, this is the percentage of fresh water over the earth. See, this is the all water present on earth. That means in ocean there is 97.41 percentage of water कि सारे के सारे हमारे ओशियंस में 97.42% वाटर ओशियंस में ही है ओके एंड ओनली 2.59 दैट मीन्स 2.5 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वाटर इज़ फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग दैट इज़ फ्रेश वाटर कि टोटल वाटर में से 97% वाटर तो सॉल्ट ही है और ओशियन का वाटर तो हम पी नहीं सकते सो ओनली फ्रेश वाटर विच इज़ अवेलेबल टू अस इज़ 2.59%. ठीक है और उस फ्रेश वाटर में से जो हमारे पास 2.59% वाटर है उसमें से 0.59 तो हमारा क्या है ग्राउंड वाटर और बाकी का जो बचा वो कहाँ है 1.9 है किसमें ये हमारे कौन से कैप्स हैं आइस कैप्स एंड ग्लेशियर्स यानी ये पोलर रीजन पे फ्रोजन फॉर्म में वाटर अवेलेबल है यानी बाकी का वाटर कहाँ है हमारा पोलर रीजन में और किस फॉर्म में आइस फॉर्म में वो जमा हुआ है ठीक है और बाकी का 0.59 कहाँ है हमारा ग्राउंड वाटर है ठीक है ये पानी हमारे पास किस लिए अवेलेबल है फ्रेश वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग राइट सो नाउ this is the third diagram shows us the readily fresh water that means which is accessible जिसको हम easily अपने पीने के लिए use कर सकते हैं वो fresh water see only 0.14 water is accessible to us फॉर ड्रिंकिंग कि इसमें से 0.014 हमारे पास पीने के लिए पानी अवेलेबल है उसमें से लेक्स में कितना पानी है 0.007 एंड सॉइल के मॉइस्चर में कितना पानी है 0.005 एटमॉस्फेयर में जो वाटर वेपर्स के फॉर्म में वाटर अवेलेबल है वो है 0.001% एंड इन रिवर 0.0001% and biota it is 0.0001 and in rivers 0.00001%. So these are the source which is accessible fresh water, right? So from the above diagram it is very clear that we have very less percentage of accessible fresh water we don't have to waste the water. Now, this picture shows us what it shows. It shows world continents. You know what is continent? Large masses of land is called continent. कि large masses of land को हम continent बोलते हैं ठीक है and this picture is showing us continent different continents of the world. So see how many continents we have. So count the continent. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continents. So this picture shows that we have 7 continents. And what is continent? Continent is large masses of land. Okay. Now this picture shows the ocean. What is ocean? Large water bodies are called oceans. Large water bodies are called ocean. And what this picture is showing us? This picture showing us oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean, right? So we have 5 oceans. Okay, we have 5 oceans and 7 continent. Continent are the large masses of land, and large water bodies are called ocean. So this picture shows the continent and the oceans both together. See here, these are the continent. Masses of land is continent: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa and Australia. These are the continent, and these are the ocean: North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Now see the location: Southern Ocean and Antarctica. Now see the location of India. Where is India located, students? India is located here, right? It is located here. In which continent India is located? India is located in Asia continent, right? So this is the location of India. What is this, students? This is globe. So what is globe? Globe is round model of earth. So this is the picture of globe. Globe is round in shape as same as earth. Earth is round in shape, so globe is also round in shape. Same in globe, earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees angle. So globe is small model of earth, small round model of earth. And so here this picture is showing us the advantages and disadvantages of using globe, कि globe से हमें यूज़ करके क्या फ़ायदे और क्या नुकसान है. So see, it shows us distance. What globe shows us? Globe हमें distance बताता है, land forms बताता है, distribution बताता है, size of continent भी इससे पता चलता है and ocean भी. So without this, it also shows the poles of earth, it shows the direction, it shows the longitude, latitude. In this way globe is very useful for us. But there is also some demerits of globe. The demerit of globe is you cannot see the entire surface of the earth at a single time. कि अगर हम यहाँ से देख रहे हैं तो हमें एक पार्ट ही दिख रहा है अर्थ का, जो एक पीछे पार्ट है वो नहीं दिख रहा है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू कैरी द ग्लोब. अब आपको कहीं बैग में लेके आना हो ग्लोब तो आप इजीली ला सकते हो? नो, इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू कैरी द ग्लोब. सो दीज आर द टू advantages and disadvantages of using globe. So what is globe? This is the quick revision. Globe is a small scale three-dimensional model of earth. Small scale three-dimensional model of earth, and it is mounted on axis. ये tilted होता है axis पे, and so it can be rotated freely. और ये क्या आप इसको easily rotate कर सकते हो like the earth, जैसे अर्थ रोटेट होती है. एंड द लाइन्स ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड एंड लैटिट्यूड आर ड्रॉन ऑन मैप. So what is this? This is map of India. When we are showing the countries and the places, continent, oceans on a flat surface, it is called map, right? And the map word is originated from the word mapo, and the meaning of mapo is napkin. कि जो map word बना है वो मैपो वर्ड से बना है, लैटिन लैंग्वेज के मैपो वर्ड से बना है। और मैपो का मतलब क्या होता है? नैपकिन। जिस तरह नैपकिन एक फ्लैट सरफेस, एक पीस ऑफ पेपर होता है, उसी तरह मैप इज ऑल्सो अ पीस ऑफ पेपर विच शोज यू कॉन्टिनेंट, ओशियंस on a flat surface, boundaries, countries. So see, this is the map of India, and this map shows us states and union territories of India. See, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. These are the various states of India and also the various union territory like Delhi. See, star shows the union territories. If you see here, this is a star. Star shows the UTs. Now Jammu is also, Ladakh is also a union territory here, and so this is map. So is difference between maps and globe? Yes, we have lots of difference between maps and globes. So see here, small model of earth that shows actual shape, size and location of earth land masses and water bodies, that is globe. When we are small model of earth that shows actual shape, size and location, earth land mass is called water bodies location, that is globe. And drawing or representation ऑफ दीज थिंग्स ऑन अ फ्लैट सरफेस, अगर आप फ्लैट सरफेस पे शो कर रहे हो तो वो मैप है. शेप ऑफ लैंड एंड वाटर बॉडीज आर एक्यूरेट. हेयर कैन नॉट शो डिटेल टू स्मॉल टू बी सीन ऑन ग्लोब. Compass direction are correct and distance from one location to another is accurately represented, but flat can easily be folded or carried. These are the advantages of flat. And this cannot show small area in great details, not easy folded and carried, and size, shape and relative location of place may not accurate and distorted. So these are the comparison of map and globes, right?